Hello guys, how are you? How to create a free website? Please new visitors, please subscribe my channels and like my videos. How to create a free website? Follow these 6 simple steps to create a website today. Number 1, sign up for a free website builder. Choose what kind of website you want to create. Number 2, customize a template or get a website made for you. Choose your starting point. Number 3, drag and drop hundreds of decisions, features, add text, galleries, videos, vector art, and more. Number 4, get ready your for business. Add an online store, booking systems, number areas, and blog. Number 5, publish your website and go live. Start building your professionals online presence. Number 6, driver traffic to your site. Use advanced SEO tools and integrated marketing solutions. Get started. Learn how to create a website. Next, website blueprint, the complete guide to creating your site. Website, we all heard of theme, visit theme, and consume their content. But what are the exactly? How do the come into being? The short answer is that they are documents that are being read by web browser and displayed on your screen. But the long answer is much more complex than that. That's what we are here to help answer. Is there are many paths you can take to create a website. A popular choice time and again is to utilize a website builder. Whether you are a beginner or a decision professional, website builders like Wix offer solutions for your needs. Our complete guide will walk you through the essential steps you need is in order to build a site using Wix. This article will also help you understand all of the moving parts that go into a website, no matter which route you take. Here are some items to consider when creating a website. Number 1, type of websites. Number 2, creations options. 3, web page. Number 4, decisions content. Number 5, domain names. Number 6, web hostings. Number 7, SEO. Number 8, web analytics. Let's dive into more details about each element. One Number one, type of website. The creating process of your website begins at the conception phase, where you are simply thinking about what kind of website you want. This thought should be driven by your goals for your site and who your target audience is. Do you want to make money online? Perhaps you want to share your recipes. Whatever your ultimate goal is, it should be reflected in your choice of website. Only from the point can you truly understand what, what platform is the best suited for your needs and the specific of what your website should contain. 10. If you have not yet decided on what king of website best suits you, we suggest taking the time to learn more about the different type of website available and peruse these website ideas. With so many different options out there, this research will help you narrow down the playing field and make an informed decisions about your site. We recommended that you jot down some items that stand out to you as you go through these list and then return to this guide to get your through the rest of the creation process. To give you have idea of a few options, here are some of the most popular types of website and how you can go about creating themes. Thank you watching my videos. Goodbye.